So how can we solve this simultaneous equation? So we are going to use two methods in order to what? In order to solve this simultaneous equation. So we can use the Cramer's rule. We can use the Cramer's rule, and therefore we can use what? We can use the substitution. The substitution method. Using the Cramer's rule, we have to rewrite this equation. We have 2b1 plus what? Plus 3v2, which is equals to 12. And therefore b1 comes first minus b1, and therefore v2, this is v2, it will be equals to 3. So we have to first find the determinant by picking the coefficient, which is 2, 3, minus what? Minus 1 and 1. So therefore what will be the determinant? 2 times 2, 2 times 1, which is 2, minus what? Minus 1 times 3, it will give me what? Minus 3. It will be equals to, if I said what? If I said 2 minus what? 2 minus minus 3, it will end up with what? 5. So this is the determinant. So therefore I have to find what? I have to find the value of what? Value of delta 1. This is what? This is delta, which is 5. It means the determinant. The determinant of what? 1. So I have to pick out the output and put it what? Here. I have 12. I will have 3. I will have what? 3 and what? And 1. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that I have to say 12 multiplied by this, it will give me 12, and therefore 3 times 3, which is 9, and therefore automatically it is equals to 3. So therefore d1, it is equals to what? It is equals to 3. So I have to pick out the what? The output and put it in what? In the second what? Second column. So therefore I will end up, as usual, the first column I have what? I have 2 to the negative what? Negative 1, and the output, which is 12 and what? And 3. So therefore this will be equals to 3 multiplied by what? By 2, which is 6, and therefore minus what? This times this, which is minus 12. So therefore I will have what? I have 6 minus 12. So therefore it will become plus 6 plus what? Plus 6 is plus 12. It will give me what? 6 plus 12. It will give me 18. So therefore delta 2, I have 18. So therefore the value of the determinant, which means the voltage 1, is the same thing as d1 by d, which will be equals to the answer. What will be the answer? d1. Where is d1? d1, which is 3 divided by what? 5. So this is the answer. So therefore the voltage 2, it is what? Let's figure out the voltage 2. Yes, voltage 2, which is 18. d2 divided by what? d1, which will be what? Voltage 2, which is 18 divided by 5. So this is the second. But if we are going to use the substitution method, what am I going to say? I will say the value of what? This is the question. So therefore I have to say, let me make v2 subject of the formula. v2, it is equals to, when it crosses, it will be what? It will be equals to v1 plus what? Plus 3. So I have to substitute the value of v2 in what? In this first equation. So therefore 2v1 plus 3. The value of v2, which is what? v1 plus what? Plus 3, and therefore it will be equals to 12. This is very easy. So therefore the 2v1 plus 3v1, if I expand the bracket, plus what? 9, it will be equals to 12. So therefore 2v1 plus what? 2v1 plus, okay, sorry, it will become 5v1 plus 9, it is equals to 12. So therefore 5v1, when 9 crosses the equal sign, it will become negative. 12 minus 9, so therefore the 5v1, it is equals to 3. If I divide both sides by 5, divide both sides by 5, will cancel 5. So therefore the v1, it will be equals to 3 over 5. So as you can see, the v1 is the same. Is the same as what? Is the same as this. So what for b2? The value of b2, I will say, I will just, there is an equation 3 that I form. I say v2, it is equals to v1 plus what? Plus 3. And the value of b1, which is what? b2, it is what? Value of b1, which is 3 over what? 5 plus what? Plus 3 over 1. Yes, so then it will be equals to, what is the LCM? LCM, which is 5. 5 into 5, which is 1. 1 multiplied by 3, 3 plus 5 into 1, which is 5. 5 times 3, which is what? 15. So therefore v2, it will be equals to what? 18 divided by 5. So therefore, which method did you prefer in this question? Please keep it in the comment section. If the first what? if the Cramer's rule is very easy, then what are the substitution methods? To me, I will prefer the substitution method, but let me hear your own in the comment section. Thanks you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.